we shall overcome someday.
Arvind commands to place. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of each rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness.
A very happy morning to everyone. I am Rani of Grade IX Jasper. International news. Pakistan Army Chief Munir meets China's President Xi for the first time after taking over as Field Marshal. North Korea's Kim Jong-un arrives in Beijing for military parade alongside Putin Xi. National news. Indian Navy's first training squadron docks in Seychelles on long-range deployment. India warns Pakistan of likely flooding in Sutlej amid heavy rains. That's all for today. Thanks for giving your time to me and paying attention to my news. I hope you all have a peaceful day ahead. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, myself Rashashwini of Grade IX Jasper here to present you state and sports news. State news. Heavy rains in Hyderabad led to a pile-up on the PVNR expressway involving 9 vehicles, though no major casualties were reported. Sports news. India and Nigeria have submitted bids to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a nice day ahead.
Everyone, today's thought is brought to you by Vamshi from Grade IX Jasper. Today's thought: there is always light if you are only brave enough to see it. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Sanjay of Grade IX Jasper. Today's word: accommodate. It's a verb. It means to provide with something desired. Friends, please spell after me. Accommodate. A-C-C-O-M-M-O-D-A-T-E. Accommodate. Thank you. Have a good day.
A very happy morning to everyone. I am Rinda of Grade IX Jasper. A thought brings us a positive spirit and makes us days brighter. And today's thought is, kindness is a language that everyone can speak, and love is a universal word that everyone can see. I'll repeat it again. Kindness is a language that everyone can speak, and love is a universal word that everyone can see. Thank you. Have a great day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Akshaya from Grade 9 Jasper. Question for Grade 7. Which Indian state is known as the land of 5 rivers? I'll repeat it again. Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Who is the CEO of SpaceX? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Elon Musk. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which company developed Android? I'll repeat it again. Which company developed Android? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Google. Question for Grade 10. Who was the first president of United States? Yes, you picked the right answer and answer is George Washington. Let us appreciate them. Open question. Question number 1. Which is the largest desert? I'll repeat it. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Antarctica. Let us appreciate them. And the answer is Antarctica. Second question. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Marie Curie. Let us appreciate them. I spell it again. Madam Marie Curie. Question number 3. Which river is the longest in South America?
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Amazon River. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Faza of Grade 9 Jasper. Now I am here to say a small speech about success. First of all, what is success? Success is different for each and every person. For some, it means achieving 2 marks. For others, it could be learning a new skill. More importantly, success is a feeling of satisfaction after hard work and determination. The importance of success. Success builds confidence, motivates further growth, and teaches valuable lessons about life and effort. Knowing how to express ideas about success shows clarity and positive thinking. How to achieve success? Achieving success is a journey, not a one-time event. It requires both planning and effort. Now, I will end my speech with one quotation. Failure is not opposite of success. It's a part of success. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.